A customer walked into the institute with a stone he was told was a turquoise. The color looked convincing, a soft bluish-green, not too saturated, not too bright. It really did pass for turquoise at first glance. I put it under the microscope and started increasing the magnification. At 200 times, something immediately stood out, round gas bubbles scattered throughout the material. I pulled back to 20 times to show you how convincing it looked from a distance. That soft turquoise color doing all the work. Natural turquoise never contains gas bubbles. Their presence is a classic telltale sign of glass. The customer had been sold a piece of glass, not a real turquoise. At 200 times we can see the bubbles clearly. Round, trapped air pockets that form in molten glass. This is how easy it is to get fooled when you can't look inside the stone. If you want to learn how to spot these tricks yourself, hit like and subscribe to the Gemological Institute of Genoa.